Good morning, student. Now in this video exercise 2.1 complex number. Simplify the following. First substitution I to the power 1947 plus I to the power 1950. Simplify the following. A solution for I to the power 1947 plus I to the power 1950 is nothing but 1947 divided by 4. This value is 486, balance 3. So I to the power 1947, 4 is a multiple of 486, balance 3 I cube, plus I to the power 1950. So I to the power 1950, so 1950 divided by 4, these values I power 4 is a multiple of 487, balance 2 I square. So I to the power 4 multiple of some values 1, I cube minus I. So important result, I square equal to minus 1, I cube equal to minus I power 4 equal to 1. This is very important note. So 4 multiple of values on 1, I cube minus I plus 4 multiple of some values 1, I square minus 1. So 1 into I minus I, 1 into 1 1 minus 1. So first real number, next imaginary number. So minus 1 minus I. So this is I to the power 1947 plus I to the power 1950. So value is minus 1 minus I. That's all. So substitution number 2. I to the power 1948 minus I to the power minus 1869. So is nothing but I to the power 1948 is a multiple of 4. So 1948 divided by 4, remainder 0. That is called multiple of 4. So value is 1. Minus 1869 divided by 4. 1869 divided by 4. So the value is multiple of 4. I to the power minus 1868 into I power minus 1. 1868 into I power minus 1, a power m into a power n, a power mn, m plus n, a power n, a power n, a power m plus n. So minus 1868 minus 1, so 1869. So the value is 1 minus the values of a multiple of 4. So 1 into I power minus 1. So 1 minus I power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by I. 1 by I. So 1 divided by I is nothing but minus I. Is nothing but minus I. Then 1 minus, so 1 by I is nothing but minus I. So also minus plus I. So I to the power 1948 minus I to the power minus 1869. is equal to 1 plus I. That's all. Substitution number 3. Summation n equal to 1 to 12 I power n. This expression solution summation n equal to 1 to 12 I to the power n equal to is nothing but this expression I plus I square plus I cube plus I power 4 plus I power 5 etc. I power 12. So it forms an GP. So it forms an GP where A equal to I, then R equal to I, n equal to 12. So formula Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So now I into values of R I power n 12 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. R values I minus 1. So I into I power 12 is a multiple of 4. It's a multiple of 4. This value is remainder 0. So value is 1 minus 1 divided by I minus 1. I into 1 minus 1 0. 0 divided by some value, total value 0. 0 divided by anything 0. So this value is 0. So another one method, so these values summation n equal to 1 to 12 I power n equal to I plus I square plus I cube plus I power 4 up to 12 terms. First we find first 4 terms. That's all. So I square values minus 1 I cube minus I power 4 plus 1 plus again I power 5 values I power 6 values minus 1 I power 7 value minus I power 8 value plus 1 plus I power 9 value I power 10 minus 1 I plus 1. So I plus I minus 1 plus 1 again also I cancel, so the total value is 0. This method was simple logic, so the value is 0. Summation n equal to 1 to 12 I power n equal, the value is 0. Substitution number 4. I to the power 59 plus 1 divided by I to the power 59. is nothing but I to the power 59, I to the power 56. How to write it? I to the power 59. How to write I power 56 into I cube plus 1 divided by I to the power 56 into I to the power 3. So I to the power 56 multiple of 4, 1. I cube values minus 1, I cube values minus I plus 1 divided by I to the power 56 values 1 divided by 4. Multiple of 4 are 1, I cube minus I. So 1 into I minus I plus 1 divided by minus I. So 1 divided by minus I is nothing but I. So previous class 1 divided by I is nothing but minus I. 1 divided by minus I is nothing but I. So minus I plus I, so value is 0. So substitution number 5. I dot I square into I cube into I power 4 etc. I power 2000. Substitution number 5. Simplify, we can return the expression. Simplify, we can return this expression. So equal to I power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 2000. So sum of first n natural number. N natural number. This is a formula summation n equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So substitution I power 2000 into 2001 divided by 2. I cancel I to the power 1000 into 2001. So it is a multiple of 4. So 1, this is a value of 1. I to the power 1000, the whole power 2001. So a power m, the whole power n equal to a power mn. So I power 1000, values of multiple of 4, this is value 1, 2001. So total answer 1, that's all. So substitution number 6, last substitution. Summation n equal to 1 to 10. I to the power n plus 50. How can write the expression? Explain. How can we explain summation I power 51, n values 1, 50 plus 1, 51, I to the power 51, I to the power 52 plus etc. I to the power 60. I to the power 51 is a common factor. It is also GP. This expression is a form of GP where A equal to I to the power 51, R equal to I, n equal to 10. So formula Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So substitution I to the power 51 into I power 10 minus 1 divided by I minus 1. I to the power 51 divided by 4, balance 3, I cube. I to the power 10 divided by 4, balance 2, I square, minus 1 divided by I minus 1. So I cube a square minus b square, I plus 1 into I minus 1, divided by I minus 1. So cancel. This is value I cube minus I into I plus 1. So I into I square minus I square minus I square value minus 1 minus I square, so plus 1, I into 1 minus I. So that's all. Thank you, student.